One single AI tool and it covers every YouTube niche. Yes, whether it's facts, motivational, cartoons, news, health, or in depth documentaries, this tool can do it all. You just need to give your script and boom, visuals, voiceover, and text will all be generated automatically. So, today we'll test this tool step by step. We'll start with facts and motivational videos, then create cartoons and documentary content, and finally, we'll see news and health style videos. And the most exciting part, there are two mega giveaways hidden in this video. Don't want to miss them? Then don't escape even a single second of this video. So let's get started. So I'm talking about FlexClip AI. You can find its link in the description box. You can visit it from there. Now, as you can see, its interface is very simple and user-friendly. First of all, if you look on the left side, you'll find the create a video option. From here, you can start your video and also do basic editing very easily. And after that, if we scroll down a little, you'll see thousands of ready-made templates that you can directly use to quickly create your videos. Now, if we click on the AI tools section, you can see that there are many powerful AI features available here. For example, there are separate tools for images, different options for generating videos, and multiple AI tools for audio as well. In simple words, whatever you want to create, whether it's an image, video, or audio, everything is available in one place. So, first of all, let's start and see how we can work on the facts or motivational niche. So for this, I'll select the AI text to full video option. Now, as you can see, as soon as I click on AI text to full video, I get two options. The first option is generate a script with AI, which means you just give your idea and the AI itself converts that idea into a complete script. And the second option is use existing script, which means if you already have a script or paragraph ready, you can directly enter it here. So as I already have a script, I'll paste it here and let's see how AI converts it into a video. Now you can see that it has divided our script scene by scene. As soon as I click next, we get media settings, voice settings, and subtitle settings, which we can customize according to our video. First, let's talk about media settings. Here you can choose whether you want to use AI images in your video or the stock library. If you select AI images, you can also choose their style like cinematic, anime, 3D cartoon, etc. You can also set your video's aspect ratio here. Next are voice settings. Here you can select your preferred language, then choose any voice from the options. You also get voice styles like normal, sad, excited, etc. You can even adjust the speed and pitch of the video. Finally, there are subtitle settings. Here you can select different subtitle styles for your video. I've already adjusted all these settings according to my script, and now I just click generate. So now you can see that our video has been successfully generated. Here you also get the full editing timeline where you can further customize your video as you like. For example, you can add transitions between images or video clips, making the video smoother and more professional. You can also add background music. If you want, you can also customize subtitles, change their style, add a text, or make any other adjustments. Everything is possible here. And the best part is, if you want to translate your video into another language, you can do that easily from here too. So let's play it and check.
Did you know that octopuses have 3 hearts and blue blood? These amazing creatures are incredibly intelligent and can even solve puzzles. Another interesting fact is that honey never spoils. Jars of honey found in ancient tombs are still edible today. Also, bananas are technically berries, while strawberries are not. And here's a surprising one. Your brain uses about 20% of your body's total energy, even when you are resting. The world is full of fascinating facts, and there is always something new to learn every day.
So you can see how amazing our generated video is. The voiceover is perfect, the subtitles are on point, and the AI generated images are very good. And in exactly the same way, you can work on any niche, whether it's facts, motivational, or any type of content. In simple words, you just provide your script and the AI handles the rest. Now all that's left is to export the video from here. So now let's move on to our next tutorial, where we'll cover news, health, or fashion type channels. First, you need to select a reputable source. If you want to make a news video, you can use websites like BBC, CNN, or Al Jazeera. For health tips or health related content, WebMD and Healthline are great sources. For technology content, TechCrunch or The Verge work well. And for lifestyle or fashion, websites like Vogue and Cosmopolitan are good. Remember, the content should be copyright free or fair use so that you'll stay legally safe. So first, you need to select your blog or article from which you want to take the content. Once your block is selected, copy its link. Now go to FlexClip and click on AI block URL to video option. Here you just paste your link and the AI will automatically analyze the article. The AI will then create a summary of the article and divide it scene-wise, making the video flow smooth and engaging. So as soon as we click next, we'll see the same settings screen again for media, voice and subtitle options. This time I won't use AI images. Instead, I'll generate the video using stock library visuals. So as you can see how amazing the video has turned out. Let's play it and check.
In today's fast-paced world, mental health challenges are increasing. Mindfulness, a practice from ancient traditions, offers a powerful way to combat stress, anxiety, and depression. This article will explore how daily mindfulness can greatly improve your mental and emotional well-being. Mindfulness is about being fully present in the moment, observing your thoughts and feelings without judgment. Techniques like meditation, focused breathing, and yoga can help you achieve this. Research confirms that consistent mindfulness practice can significantly lessen anxiety and depression symptoms. It helps the brain manage stress better, improves emotional control, and boosts attention and awareness. You don't need extensive meditation to practice mindfulness daily. Simple acts like mindful walking, eating without distractions, or deep breathing can be effective. Consistency and intention are key. The digital world often overloads us. Taking breaks from devices to practice mindfulness can help clear your mind, improve focus, and boost productivity. Joining mindfulness groups or classes can offer support and enrich your practice. Numerous communities and online resources are available to
Here, instead of stock images, you can also use AI images, but I choose stock library to demonstrate this idea. So as you can see, I selected a health article here. You can select any type of blog or article and easily create a video for any news or topic. So in the third tutorial, we'll see how we can use FlexClip to create cartoon or documentary style videos. As an example, I'm making a documentary video about dinosaurs. So to create this type of video, I'll select the AI video generator. Once we are here, we get lots of video generation tools in one place, and I'll show you how to use them. From my existing prompts, I select the first prompt and simply paste it here. I'm using Grok Imagine. Here you can also select the video duration from 5 seconds up to 15 seconds. For now, I've selected 5 seconds and I'm generating the videos. So as you can see, the video quality is amazing and background music has already been added. Similarly, I'll take my other prompts and put them into the AI video generator to easily convert them into animated or documentary style videos. Now, once all my videos ready, we'll select them here. Then just click Add to Editing tool and all the videos directly open the editing tool. This way, there's no need to download or import separately. Everything is ready in one place. In other words, you get full control to generate, edit, and finalize all on a single platform. So as you can see, all my videos are now arranged here. Now for documentary or educational videos, we also need a voiceover. But there's no need to go anywhere else. Just click on AI tools on the left, scroll down, and select text to speech. Here, paste your script, select your desired language or voice style, and the AI will automatically generate a professional sounding voiceover. So as you can see, my voiceover is also ready. To add it to the video, simply click Save to Media, then drag and drop it into your video timeline. If you want to add subtitles again, there's no need to go anywhere else. Just click Subtitles on the left, then select AI generated subtitles. From here, choose your preferred style and the AI will automatically generate subtitles that perfectly sync with your voiceover. So now my video is completely ready. Let's check the final result. So I'll play it here for you.
From giant T-Rex to long-necked Brachiosaurus, some hunted, some ate plants, a massive asteroid hit, change in the climate and causing their extinction. Today, scientists study fossils, and birds are their closest relatives. Dinosaurs are gone, but their story still fascinates us.
As you can see, the video quality is fantastic. Similarly, you can create documentary style videos, cartoon videos, or videos on any topic. I also worked on a cartoon video earlier, and I'll show the results on the screen now.
Leo, a 10-year-old boy with short brown hair and a blue shirt and black shorts, loved adventure but hated chores. One day, he wandered into a magical forest and found a glowing coin that promised to grant any wish. Excited, Leo wished for toys, food, and a small house, which appeared instantly. But soon, he grew bored, and when the coin stopped glowing, he panicked. Determined, Leo started working on his own, picking fruits, cleaning, and organizing, and realized that effort felt better than magic. By the end, he smiled proudly, knowing real happiness comes from hard work.
So you have seen how we use just one AI tool to create videos for different niches, whether it's facts, motivational, cartoon, or documentary. Now let's talk about the free and paid version of this tool. If you're a beginner, the free version is enough to make a lot of videos. It gives you basic features and there are some limitations like watermark, limited exports, or restricted features. But if you want to work at a professional level, the paid version is the way to go. You get high quality exports, more templates, advanced AI tools, and watermark free videos. So you can decide based on your needs, start with the free version or upgrade directly. And yes, here's the giveaway. To participate, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment which niche you like the most. Two lucky winners will get a 1-month FlexClip business plan, allowing them to create high quality watermark free videos. Winners will be announced in the next video, so don't miss your chance. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.